Like 90% of you sitting down right there watching this video right now, I am on Twitter. I don't even know why. Like, I barely fucking tweet. But like most niggas, I'm over there just thirsty as fuck. Once in a while, I'm gonna look at time where I just tweet some shit. But other than that, I don't really do much over there. And like most people on Twitter, you want to have followers, but you don't want to follow back. And I understand that, you know what I mean? If you're following everybody, it just devalues your Twitter popularity. You're like a Twitter whore if you're following everybody. Fuck. And people hit me up all the time saying, yo, Kevin, follow me back on Twitter. I'm sorry, what? Follow me on Twitter, dog. Fuck no. And when they tell them shit like that, some of them will unfollow you. Fuck you for that. And then some of them are gonna ask you why. Well, here's why. I don't follow back because you have a dick. There's something about dicks that I just don't follow. The only dick that can leave me is my dick. Simply what the fuck I'm saying is, because you're a man, I don't follow back. There's no reason why I should be following you unless you know a bitch that I'm trying to fuck. Are you a good homie? That's the only reason I would follow you if you're a guy. And some of you men that are on Twitter, you're PMSing all over the fucking place. Man, the fuck up! If you're a guy and you think about asking another man to follow you back on Twitter, equate it to this. Would you ask another man to follow you to the bathroom? Exactly. I don't follow back because you're probably trying to catch a ride on the fame tree. You never used to fuck with me when I was like, now that I'm trying to be somebody, you're gonna ask me to follow back? Sorry, that train has missed you, bitch. Fuck out of here. No money, no new friends, no new. I don't follow back because your vagina was a trending topic on Twitter for 2 weeks. Even I tweeted about that shit. Hashtag ho. I don't follow back because your Twitter account is private. I hate motherfuckers who join social networks and then private every fucking thing, then try to send out friend requests, try to ask people to follow you back. I'm trying to socialize, bitch. Like, what the fuck, bitch? Who's tweeting you? Who's retweeting your shit? Bin Laden, Saddam Hussein, Coney? Like, who are your fucking friends? I don't follow back because simply, I'm an asshole. I don't follow back because you turned a nigga down. Hey, you girl, yeah, you. You remember that day when I followed you to the party, followed you around the party, followed you home from the party, and when it was time to follow my dick up your vaginal canal to your goddamn cervix, you turned me the fuck down. And now you asking me to follow back on Twitter? No, bitch, sorry. I don't follow back because there's no you in your profile picture. Like, that type of shit don't make sense to me. Why the fuck are you on these social media websites? You have up celebrity pics, no pics of yourself. I fucking hate you. I hate you. I hate every kind of avatar. The blue avatar, Twitter avatar, Facebook avatar. Bitch, get a pic on your shit. Can't stand motherfuckers without a profile. I don't follow back because you have nobody following you. You have 50,000 tweets and you're following 300,000 people, but you have no followers. How the fuck you think that I gonna make me look if I was to pop your Twitter egg? There has to be a reason why nobody else is following you back. You're probably annoying as fuck or you're crazy. I'm not up for that. Fuck out of here. I don't follow back because it's not follow back day. Now every Twitter person knows this. You have a certain day where you choose to follow back some people. Mine is the 30th of February. Yeah, I know it's fucked up, right? My date has already passed to follow back some people. But hey, you know, stick around. I might follow you next year. I might put you on the follow back list if you're good. I don't follow back because I'm too cool for that shit. Follow back because you're new to Twitter. How the fuck are you fresher as shit from a newborn's ass and you want to come tell man hashtag FB? Hashtag get the fuck out of here. You have to build your reputation for it. I don't follow back because you just have to wait your goddamn turn. I don't follow back because I'm trying to fuck you girl or your sister and I'm just trying to save the two of us the awkwardities. I don't follow back because every time I try to follow you, I get a 404 error message. What the fuck are you doing? Bad idea. Do not follow. I don't follow back because you said follow back. You look thirsty for followers. Why don't you follow your fucking ass up on out of here? I don't follow back because when I tweet funny shit, niggas don't retweet me. And I tweet some pretty hilarious shit. Nah, who's there? Shampoo. No nigga, I only got conditioner. Hashtag LMAO. Hashtag I am hilarious. Hashtag fuck. I ran out of characters. There's a lot of fucking reasons I don't follow back, but sometimes it's just because I didn't see your follow back request. Honestly. Now let me explain this Twitter follow back thing to you quickly. Hypothetically, say I'm Jesus, right? When Jesus was asking for followers, he got 12 men who were loyal to him, and they became his followers. Now, not once did one of those 12 men say, yo, Jesus, why you ain't following me back, man? I've been following goddamn rocky ass roads, going to everybody's house and stuff, and you ain't follow me back. Negro, are you the Messiah? Huh? Can you walk on water, nigga? Can you turn water to wine, nigga? Can you make manna fall from heaven? No. Who made you catch fishes when there was no fishes? You did. Then that's why the hell I don't follow back, nigga. Duck out of here. I don't say Jesus, no cuss bad word. Some have said duck. The truth is, only a few people will really get a follow back from me on Twitter. Well, who gives a shit? Yo, this is Kevin Too Crazy. Follow me on Twitter. I probably won't follow you back, but fuck it. Like my video, share my video, and tell me why you don't follow back. Write in the comments below why you do not follow back.
Yes, man.